life could get complicated, especially when you have to decide either you should live for the moment or work for the future. Either of those decisions could be good depending on who you're asking. Living for the moment works for most because that's just how they're built. But at the same time, there's people that's their moment is not really that good. So they work towards getting a better future. So with that being said, let's take a look at either side to see which one is good for you in this moment. The good side about living for the moment, living for the now, is that you're actually living and enjoying the things that you have right now. You're not thinking about what you used to have or what you had or what you're gonna have. You appreciate the things that are happening around you right now. But on the other hand, for some whose life are not that good in the moment or who want their life to get better, they work towards a better future. And that's good because you see what you're missing. You see what you lack and you could guide yourself towards reaching the moment or point of time towards where everything is good. So when you work for the future, ideally, you'll reach your time in a place to where you could enjoy the moment. So with that being said, you could choose any of them and still be all right, but you have to know the consequences of each action. Yeah, you can live for the moment, but at the same time, if you don't plan for the future, you will find yourself be in the position where you weren't prepared for. And also, you could be so focused on the future that you're missing out on the things that you have now. It's simple, but complicated at the same time. And that's why the answer is totally based on you and where you at in your life, what your dreams are, what your hopes, and where you see yourself being, either now or in the future. So choose wisely because it's all in your hands.